WeatherTech side window deflectors are made of a strong and flexible polycarbonate with ultra-thin flanges that are designed to slip into the window channels. Before installing your deflectors, make sure the window and window channel are completely clean and dry. Wrap a paper towel around the flat end of the provided red installation tool and sweep it through the window channel and weather strip, cleaning it of dirt and debris. Next, center one piece of the provided clip tape onto the flat side of the windowsill clip. Install the clip over the edge of the outer windowsill with the curved side facing out and the short end down between the windowsill and weather strip. Make sure the clip is positioned as far forward as possible. Place the front of the deflector onto the clip and slide the flange forward into the vertical window channel. Next, bow the deflector outward and insert the rear end flange into the vertical window channel behind the weather stripping, leaving a gap at the top. Now, working from front to back, pull down and tuck the flange up into the window channel. Then, run the flat end of the installation tool between the weather strip and the deflector to ensure it's positioned correctly. Slowly roll up the window in small increments until it fully closes. Repeat the process on the other side, and your WeatherTech side window deflectors are installed.